Hi, my name's Mike Berard, and I am the inventor of RocketFire. RocketFire was designed to light a grill or a fire pit or anything that's flammable as fast as possible. So in the beginning, a good friend of mine and I were sitting around talking about how to light the grill. It currently took forever to light our Kamado style grill. There were good ways, but not a great way. And so I designed, over the last 5 years, a great way to start a fire. The design of the RocketFire is set up for a grill or fire pit. So it has a wand, it's a 17-inch wand. You can put it over top of the wood, over top of the charcoal, or you can put it directly into the wood or charcoal. It gives you an even distribution of flame, which means you light faster. It's very easy to get the fuel. You can use propane, you can use MAPP gas. It's cost effective, so you can get 50 to 70 lights off of one canister. You can take off the tip and finish off sous vide meat. You can also use it to finish off creme brulee. It's made of stainless steel, it's made of brass, it's made of carbon fiber. I mean, I wanted a quality product. I wanted something that I'd be proud of and people that owned it would be proud of. So when you click that button and you hear that rocket sound, all of a sudden it's 2,000 degrees on whatever you're trying to light. It burns clean, the food tastes fantastic, and that immediately turns heads.